Keeping customers comfortable at a pop-up drink stand in hot weather comes down to three things: shade, airflow, and fast service so they are not standing in direct sun any longer than they have to. Here's the thing most people do not think about. It is not just the air temperature that makes someone miserable. It is something called radiant heat, which is heat coming straight off the sun onto their skin and off hot pavement below their feet. That is why just putting up a small umbrella is not enough. You want a shade canopy that covers a wide area, and if you can, put down a rug or interlocking foam tile so people are not standing on scorching concrete or asphalt. Adding a simple misting fan, the kind that sprays a fine water mist while blowing air, can drop the feels like temperature by 10 to 15 degrees in the immediate area. Also, offer something as small as a cold damp towel or a cup of ice water for free while people wait, because that little gesture cools their body down fast and makes the wait feel shorter than it actually is. One mistake a lot of stand owners make is placing their setup facing the wrong direction, so the sun hits customers directly during peak afternoon hours. Check the sun's path before you set up and angle your canopy to block it during the busiest part of the day, usually between 12 and 4 in the afternoon. Another common issue is ice melting too fast because containers are not insulated properly, leaving drinks warm just when people need them cold. Use a thick-walled cooler and keep it in the shade, never in direct sunlight. Lastly, people often forget that long lines in the heat drive customers away before they even order, so consider a shaded waiting area or a simple line management system to keep people cool while they wait. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.